Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to see basic command line commands. Okay, so what are these command line commands and how it is going to help us in our day-to-day interaction with the computer? So that's the topic today. So we are going to see some of the basic command line commands. A few of them are listed on the screen. We will straight away get into hands-on doing these command line commands. So first of all, we need to know how to open a command prompt from the Windows environment. Okay, for that I'll just minimize my presentation, go to my desktop. Suppose say there is a folder which is existing on the desktop. You just click on it, and in the address line you just say CMD, okay, and press enter. It will open a command prompt. Okay, so this is one way of doing or opening a command prompt. The other way is, see, in your search bar you just say CMD. It will open the command prompt app. Just click on that. There you go. So it has opened the command prompt. So this is another way of opening the command prompt. Okay, so our first command line command that we are going to learn is CD. CD means change directory. So if you see, so this is my folder path. Okay, so I am currently under CODIN folder. I'll just say CD and put double dot. So what it does is, I am in this folder, it will take me to its parent folder, which is users. Okay, so that's this command. Okay, suppose say that I want to I had a folder called CODIN. I want to go to that folder. You'll say CD CODIN. Okay, so it's that simple. So change directory. So we just saw how to move backward one folder, move forward one folder. Suppose say that you want to go to the root folder, you say CD slash, okay, forward slash, and it will get you to the root folder. And if you want to go back to the same folder, you have to say CD users and again CD CODIN. Okay, so this is how you do work with change folders. Okay, our next one is clear screen CLS. That's pretty simple. You just type CLS and it will clear the screen. The third one what we are going to see is start. Okay, it starts another command prompt from your existing command prompt. That's also pretty simple. You just say in your command prompt, you just say start, START. It will open another command prompt. There you go. So you are having another command prompt window which is opened. So just close that for now. Okay, color. Suppose say that you are bored with the existing color of your command prompt, you can change the colors. Okay, so to get more information on the color, you just say COLOR color backward slash followed by a question mark. That's like, I want to get help of this command color. Okay, so that's what it means. So if you just press enter, it will list out all the existing or available color combinations. Okay, so what it says is color followed by attribute. The attribute is the first, it allows two characters. The first is the foreground, the first is the foreground color, and second attribute is the background color. Suppose say that I want a blue foreground with a background of yellow. Okay, let's say how it looks like. Our color of blue with light yellow is E. So if I say 1E, that's how it is. Okay. Okay, some was coming. So let's see. Or again, we'll try something else. Color of 6 and 1. So I want a blue color font with an yellow color background. So that's how it looks like. Okay, so I want to bring it back. See, yellow color. I want black font with, sorry, white font with, so that is my bright white F with black background. So I say F0. Oh, okay. So probably it is getting adjusted based on whatever is existing. So we'll try it once again. The same thing. So black is coming, that's fine. F is bright white is a background and black. Okay, sorry, so it should be the other way around. 0 and F. There you go. So we are back to the original screen what we were with. Okay, so this is how you work with colors. Then comes the date. So I'll say clear screen. I say date. It gets me the current date of the system. Okay, I can change the date of the system, but only the current user has to be of administrator type, otherwise the system won't allow. Okay, so I will also show you how to open command prompt using system administrator role. Okay, so I'll just press enter. I'm not changing the date. I'll just close this one. I'll just type once again CMD here. So here, after your command prompt app opens, you just right click and it says run as administrator. Okay, so this is what you have to do. So without opening your app as an administrator, you cannot change the date of the system. So let me not do that. So this is just for education purpose. So we'll just stay with the current date. Then what is dir? Okay, dir, it lists the current directory. Okay, so these are all the contents in the current directory. Okay, so this is, you can have different types of listings. So I'll just say I want to get more help. I say backward slash and a question mark. Okay, so these are the various options which are available. I mean, you can explore all of them. Okay, so dir is the, it lists the current directory contents. Okay, so echo means it outputs the text whatever is followed by echo. So let's try that. I'll say clear screen. I'll say echo hello world. There you go. So echo followed by a string, it outputs that string on the screen. So that's what it basically echoes about. Find. Okay, suppose say that I want to find a string in list of files. Let's say dir. Okay, and I want to do some search. Find a string welcome in any of the files. Okay, so the syntax is find followed by the string whatever you want to find and what in which files you want to search for. I want to search in all the files existing under this folder path. Okay, so there are several it did try to find in the subfolders too, but some of the subfolders are not accessible. Okay, so there were few other files, but it did not have this welcome message. Okay. Okay, so that's how you do a find command. And suppose say that I want to get a list. Okay, for example, I'll just get more help of this find followed by backslash and question mark. Okay, it did say that slash v is a parameter which displays only the count of lines containing the string. So when I press an upward arrow, it brings back the previously typed command. So that this was the previous command which I typed. Again I am pressing upward arrow. This was the previous command, previous command that was typed. Okay, so I will say slash c, and this time it is not searching the exact line containing a welcome, but it is trying to give the count. So it says that Fibonacci.bars has 0 lines which contain welcome. Similarly, hello world.bars contains 0 lines. Similarly, all these files. Okay, so the rest of the folders were not accessible, so I'll just ignore for now. So this is the syntax basically. You can try all other available parameters. For example, slash v. So slash v, it will try to print out all the lines other than welcome. So that's what it is happening. So it is just I'll just exit, control C. Yeah, so control C is to come out of any function, any command that is executing. Okay, so it is control C. Control, I have to say control plus C. It's not the plus, so control followed by C. That's it. Okay, so the next we are going to see type. So I'll just say dir, and we do have Fibonacci.bars. I'll say type. So type is basically like it types the contents of the file on the screen. So let's see. I'll say Fibonacci Fibonacc.bars. Okay, so it is having some junk characters, and you can see like there is no welcome character also. So that's what it is. Like we are trying to get the content of Fibonacci.bars on the screen. So that's this one. Okay, and if a sort, for example, I type like this and followed by, I say sort, so it will sort whatever the contents is coming on the screen. Okay, so type followed by Fibonacci.bars, it is typing everything on the screen, and sort is, it is doing a sort of it. I'm sorry about so we'll go to a better folder content. So we'll say CMD here. I have directory, I'm listing out the directory, and I have one test also, and I'll say type followed by test.txt. so it does have these lines in this text file. So I will say I want to sort the output. You see like it got sorted. Okay, you can see the sorting. So have a nice day was at the last, and it has come out at the very front because it's sorting by the ascending order. Okay, and we'll also try the find command. So find, I'll say cls, say dir, find. Let's see if hello was there. Hello in this, exactly. See, so it says the find command does work on this test.txt. I'll also see find /c, and it gives me the count. Okay, so this is better demo of the earlier command. Now the another important command is task list. So suppose say that I want to know what are the tasks currently running on the Windows machine under the user ID. You can check that task list. Okay, so these are all the tasks that are currently running. So some of them are tasks initiated by the Windows operating system itself, so you can just ignore that. So ours is a command prompt. You can go through this. Yes, so ours is this one, so cmd.exe. So that's what it is currently running. Okay, time. Okay, let's say clear screen and say time. Yes, it gets me the current time of the system. As I said earlier, similar to date, time also you can change only with administrative access. Okay, I'm not going to change the time of the system, so I'll just press enter. So it means that I'm going to stick with the same time. Title. Suppose say that I am bored with whatever I am seeing on the title of this command prompt. I can change the title. I'll just say title hello world. See, it got changed. So I have changed the title of the command prompt window itself. Okay, then version. So it says displays the operating system version. Just try it out. Version. Yes, I'm working on Microsoft Windows version 10, and that's what it says, right? So it gets me the version of the current operating system. So that's all we are learning for today. So we'll just go through each of the commands which we just saw. CD is the change directory, CLS is for the clear screen. Start, it starts another command prompt. Color, changes the console color. Date, it shows the date, as well as we can get the date changed, especially if you have the administrative access. Dir is the it lists current working directory contents. Echo is the echo followed by a text. It will displays the text on the screen. Find is used to find a string in the files that we want to do some sort of a string search. Then type, it types the contents of a file onto the screen. We can use whatever is getting displayed on the screen, we can use pipe it to the sort, so it will get you sorted. Task list is it lists out all the tasks that are currently working in the memory. Time, similar to date, it lists the it shows the date, as well as you can get the date changed, but you need to have the administrative access. Title is to it sets the title of the command prompt window. Version, it displays the operating system version. That's all, folks, for today's session. Hope this session was very useful, and hope you learned some important command line commands. I would suggest you to try it out yourself, and it will help you to get to know these commands for yourself. Okay, thanks for watching this video.